Cut. Yes, it looks like a cheeseburger. This day, our daily bread, and forgive us our debts. We are pregnant. Ding, 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 ding. It's here, baby. Number 2.
Jovi's gonna be a big
Can't keep her off me. I don't know what to say, you know?
I'm 18 weeks and feeling every bit of it.
She felt
We're so excited. We found out like right away, so we've known for a while. But wanted to make sure everything was all good before we announced anything. Just because my doctor was saying I was measuring a little bit small and she just wanted to make sure everything was good. But she said I could just be carrying, like hiding it well, which it was. We thought we were 17 weeks, but we went to the doctor a couple of days ago and she said I'm measuring at like 18 weeks in 2 days. So
healthy as a horse.
Yep, we're good to go. The birthday is November 9th, which is crazy. That's when my grandma's birthday is. And she passed away and she was like one of my best friends. So it's pretty cool that we're gonna have due date is on her birthday. Make sure you subscribe because I'm sure we're gonna have a ton more baby videos coming. We got the gender reveal. We'll probably do the baby shower. So excited to just document this journey. It's crazy. We're gonna have 2 kids.
2 kids.
Crazy.
Thank you, Lord.
We're heading to the beach today. Me and Jovi. Davey has to work. It's Tuesday and we're meeting up with some of my very best friends to have a beach day with all of our kids. It's gonna be chaotic, but it's gonna be so much fun. Jovi is loaded down in the back. Say hi. Getting a child ready to go to the beach is like no joke. There's so much stuff that you have to bring. But we're so excited to get on the road. We have about an hour-and-a-half drive. That's how far we are from the beach that we're going to, but I can't wait to see them and have fun. Hopefully it doesn't rain today. But first, I got like a sausage, egg, and cheese wake-up wrap, and I got a blueberry iced coffee. They're so good. The beach. All right, let's turn your movie off. Up the ramp. Go on. Go. Let's go. Come on.
Grab this bag.
Let's go, babe. What, baby? Is it cold? It feels pretty good. It's warm. Woo. Look at all his toys. You like the water? Whoa. Let me see.
Wait, the bird's gone. A footprint.
Oh man. Gang's all here.
Oh, look, we got the camera.
Uh-oh. I got it out. Oh God, I got some of my tooth.
You might cross shot it.
Right here, babe. Is it good?
Wow, you got a lot of those clams.
Ooh, oh my goodness. Are they alive?
Oh, tickling me.
Oh, they're alive? Oh my goodness, look at
Yeah, they're
them.
tickling me. Tickling. Hey, Dingo. Look. I'm tickling.
Is that good? You guys got your own personal little umbrella over here. Let me see the babe. Does this baby belong to you?
Oh, she's like, get me out of the sun.
I'm sorry. Here. See her. Oh my goodness. She's so sweet. Look at her little hand. Seashells. Put them in the bucket. Good job.
She did not like that sun in her face.
It's hot, man. You guys got your own little cabana over here. The beach?
Yeah.
Go ahead, you can go stand on there. Can you go wash your face while you're at it? But we were saying how like years in college it was tanning oil and like none of us had sunscreen, and now we have
We didn't even know what freaking sunscreen was.
I know. And now we have 3 bottles each and reapply like every 30 minutes.
No hippie juice.
I know.
No bottles of Tito's.
About this
I
time.
thought you were bringing something. What would we do? We'd lay out. We get in the ocean about dusk. Not dusk. Like the sun's going down. We all got a good buzz going on, and we're so sunburned. We don't give a shit.
I know. And then we're still wondering what we're gonna do tonight.
Yeah. What are we gonna do? We're gonna go home and shower.
Yeah.
Maybe take
Get
a
ready.
nap.
Yeah. Oh yeah, take a nap. Order some Hungry Howies. My times have changed.
Oh my.
Now we got all the little litter of pups down there. We got more on the way. We're coming on to visit the girls. Look at all these tan beauties.
Fishing for clams.
I know. Let's see it. Ooh, oh, that's like a crab.
Ooh, is that what? It is.
Woo!
Daddy, where you going, Dad? Daddy, you did move.
Ooh, he's trying to find a place to hide. What'd you think, Addie?
Seashells. There's a couple in here. Look, here's a seashell.
Wow, you collected a lot.
You did. Oh, you're just letting it back in the ocean?
It is so hot. Let's blast this AC. It's the next day and I didn't vlog anymore when we got home because we were like exhausted from the sun. We made a pizza and took a bath, and Jovi was out like a light by like 7:15. So this morning I am running some errands. My mother-in-law is watching Jovi while I get a few things done in town. I'm running a few errands. We're going on a little staycation this weekend in Orlando to Gaylord Palms. and I just need to get a few things before we go. My husband surprised me with a pedicure, which was so sweet. I never get my nails or toes done. I'm terrible at being a girl. So he surprised me with that. I'm gonna go get my toes done and run a few errands, and I think I'm just gonna film a little bit. Okay, so I'm back and it was very successful. I got a bunch of things that I needed for the trip and some things that I didn't need. But this is kind of my haul that I got today. I got this beach bag from Walmart for $15. Hi, babe. Where's your boo-boo? Oh, on your toe? Oh, I'm sorry. It was originally $15 from Walmart, or it was originally $25 from Walmart, and it was on sale for $15. It was actually a tropical floral pattern, which I do like, but I flipped it inside out and I love just like the raw jute look of it. And then this really cute tassel, that's kind of what sold me. So beachy. I got Jovi a new cup from Ross. You can't really see it. It has like a really cute flower design. I got some skincare stuff from Marshall's. I needed moisturizer and I found this primer. I found these really cute earrings, which I'm wearing actually right now. You can see, you can see they're really cute. Then I got her some tights from Walmart for the wedding next weekend. She's a flower girl on Davy's sister's wedding. Then I got some ice packs because we're taking coolers with us this weekend to the hotel to have by the pool. I got some lashes. I never wear lashes, but I figured I would try them out for the wedding. I'm a bridesmaid, so I figured why not try them out. I got this little puddle jumper for Jovi. It was so cute. I figured it would be perfect for the pool, so she's not attached to my hip. Like, we'll still hold her, but this way she can kind of float by herself. I got a new pop socket from Five Below. And then I got these shampoo and conditioners. So we were out and these smelled amazing. I also got this beautiful dress. It's so cute. I got it from Ross. It was only $14 and it's super bump friendly. It's lightweight and I like that it has normal sleeves, so I can wear a normal bra, not a strapless bra. Strapless bras are like the most uncomfortable thing to me, so this one I can wear with a regular one. I'm gonna put this stuff away and start packing for the weekend. Oh, I also got Davy his Father's Day gift, but because he watches these, I'm not gonna show you. But it's really, really cool. It's functional, and I got it at Marshall's. Can you spin around? Jovi couldn't wait to wear her little puddle jumper. Are you excited? Cute. Wow. Wow. Do you like it? Alright, get it.
Oh, this?
You want me to unbuckle it?
Yeah.
Alright, you try it. Alright, hey, what do you say, please?
Please do.
Okay. I think I'm gonna end the vlog there. Jovi is obsessed with like opening and closing clips and like buckles and stuff like that. So This will keep her entertained forever. So I'm gonna finish packing and start dinner. Bye.